This is isoCirc 2 here, this figure, and this is a hole here. It's not well explained, but it's a hole. So this is the most interesting face. There's no other one that's interesting, so I'm going to pick that corresponding plane and then make a rectangle. That's what I usually will do on almost everything. So I think I'm just going to make a rectangle that's the size of this thing. So how do I do that? Well, 2.75 plus a radius of 1.25, the radius from here to here, is 4. And then this 1.25, that from there to there, plus the same from there to there, is 2.5. Okay, so rectangle, and I'm going to come out here 2.5, tab 4. There we go. Then I'm going to find this point here. Okay, so it's 2.75 and then by 1.25. That's going to be the center of this. And what I can do is I can just create a point in here, construction point, and just anywhere. And then I'm going to define that point. I'm going to get out of construction, and I'm going to hit D for dimension. And I'm going to say from that line, highlight it, to that point is 2.75 and return. Okay, puts it out there. Then I'm going to say from here to there is 1.25. 1.25. You won't see this move much, but it'll move a little bit. Okay, good. Now I can draw a circle here and an arc, and that will work. So I'm going to draw my circle first. It says it has a diameter. That's a diameter symbol of 1. So I'm going to hit C for circle. And I'm going to bring that out. And all I need to do is type in 1, return. Okay, and then I'm going to use that same spot, and I'm going to use a 3-point arc. No, I'm going to use a center arc. Center point arc. I'll draw this like I'm drawing with a, zoom in a little bit here. I'll draw it here like I'm using a compass. It will go through there, and then I'll make sure I'm down at 180 degrees. Click, and I've got that as good to go. It's yellow. I'm going to confess that I don't know why. Sorry, it's blue. I really don't know why it's yellow, but because it's not. It's blue, meaning it needs more. I don't know what that is, and when we're doing simple objects like this, in Fusion 360, it's pretty forgiving, so I'm going to continue with this now. I can go in here, and I'm going to push that out. E for extrude. I drew it with the front, so I'm going to push it back, and then I'm going to hit make that 1.5, and then OK. All right, then I'm going to hit the house. Now the orientation and the size looks exactly like that, and I'm good to go on isoCirc 2.